Oh, let's try to get you. Good. Good job, Matthew. It's a beautiful surfboard. Here, put the cap back on that one. Where's your cap? Uh-oh.
It's on the ground.
Here you go. Put your cap back on. Put it back in here. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Okay, try a different color. Oh, back to brown. All right. Here, I'll hold the cap for you.
Holly.
Yeah, look at Jesse. Good job on that. Look at William. Wow.
Nice surfboard, huh?
William is right here.
Yeah, but there's more than one William. Oh, look, he's got a lot of paint right there.
Hello?
Oh, don't push
Yes.
any more paint. Color it. Color it.
All right.
Ooh, nice job. Keep it up.
All right.
There you go, buddy. That's great.
Okay.
Now you have too much paint. It won't dry.
You gonna do that side too?